From Trump claiming US forces have obliterated targets on Iran's Kurg Island to Tehran unveiling an underground missile city. The US-Israel versus Iran war has entered a critical phase on day 15th. Washington is now sending 2,500 Marines and an amphibious warship to the region. I am Chandni Jain with the latest updates as the conflict takes another dramatic turn. Trump says US forces have neutralized Iran's defense targets on Kurg Island. Explosions were reported after strikes hit air defenses, a naval base, and airport facilities. So why Kurg matters? It hosts Iran's main oil export terminal, which handles 90% of the total national output, making it one of Tehran's vital strategic assets. Trump team plans to grab control over this jugular vein with hope that it would help them bring the leadership to listen to them. Washington has confirmed its decision to send 2,500 Marines and a warship to the region. Until now, the war has been missiles and drones. Marines means the US is preparing for boots on ground if needed, raising the risk of a much wider Middle East war. This is the first time that the US is planning to have its own boots on a foreign battleground after the unceremonious withdrawal from Kabul. Marines are believed to be a strategic unit that can deliver fast and quick actions beyond enemy lines. So, the big question is, how would Iran react to such an act? Will Tehran be ready for focus on Strait of Hormuz disruption as the key cog in its war plan, or is there more to come? Iran warns it could strike oil and energy infrastructure across the region linked with the US. The IRGC has also released multiple videos of a vast underground missile city showcasing drones and anti-ship missiles. However, Trump says Iran wants to deal, but insists that it's not the one I would accept. As attacks spread across the region, an energy infrastructure comes under massive threat. The Strait of Hormuz, carrying nearly 20% of global oil, remains effectively closed. Vital oil and gas producing zones coming to a grinding halt. Fears are rising. Will the US-Israel-Iran war spiral into a much wider regional conflict, or is there a room for containment?